Now welcome to the first edition of my show, Talk Your Mind.
Why they call me Engineer Brother?
Sorry, na slip of tongue. As Unamolo resemble, that thing confused me small. And then I come the court for the same Manchester.
Hope say you no call us to insult our head.
No, nah. How I go call una all the way from Manchester just to slug only on her head?
Why you can't start your own talk show?
I da like environments where people dey free to talk wetin dey their mind. For here, nothing like insult. Violence dey allowed as long as e no dey physical.
I know they like wetin I dey hear.
You da fear? You no suppose fear na. At this point in your career, you dey unstruckable. That way you da dominate your junior brother. I mean, Ten Hag and the rest. Nobody fit challenge you na.
But me I dey struckable.
Make I begin show before time go run out. First of all, Guardiola, at the hell oh. To call it love and not the tire you.
My brother, some of these cops save you, but wetin man go do now? Our job na to carry all of them.
Ten Hag, abeg oh, Guardiola say in job na to call it office. Wetin come be your job?
To unite Manchester.
I no understand. I think say Manchester dey united.
You be idiot. You waiting be your job for last year.
No problem, I don't hear you. Both of na next fixture dey somehow clicky and oily. Guardiola, I go like predict make Newcastle win you, but them no born me well. Why you know they fit let people bet against you?
Na addiction.
Addiction ke?
Addiction to winning. All I do is win no matter what. Na because of me Ludacris sing that song go.
Addiction no good though. Too much of anything no good.
Sometimes I dey try my best to lose. I dey even pray, but God know the answer all of them.
How you dey take condition your boys to that win every time? Which kind pep talk you dey give them?
I don't see the guy they drink Pepsi.
You da drink Pepsi before you prep your boys with pep talk?
E no concern you.
Ten Hag, how far na? I go comfortably bet say Tottenham no go flog you because the only can where them they use flog, them don't sell them.
Even when the guy been there, them no born and where.
You don't forget that 6-1.
No be me there that time now. And them never win us since that time sef.
So you sure say you go beat them?
Shut in now.
Not be wolves almost bite your yansh come out.
Forget that one. Postecoglou not be my mate.
Just call him Tottenham coach. Nobody know his name. Nobody want know sef.
No underestimate that guy you.
Especially with that your midfielder where they wear keeper gloves. Una no get keeper oh. I don't know the kind person where una go buy. Keeper where they quarrel with him post.
No worry. No be onana. Ingo shock all of una.
Now you ain't go shock. By the time you look your post, you not see goalkeeper. Now you go no say goalkeeper no supposed to follow defenders keep offside trap.
What?
Make una no worry. That guy go be the next world best goalkeeper.
You mean midfielder?
I beg oh. Before I rest my case, Guardiola, give us one special number as you don't carry yet another trophy.
Inspired by Asake, I go like sing Lonely at the Top. It's lonely at the top, lonely. Trophy on my mind, trophy. Don't care what they yarning about me in particular. Oh, oi, money. Out here on the road chasing my cup because I know no one can catch it.
Hey. Which kind of special number be this? See as you just murdered that song. I beg you don't do. Before I forget, make you and the Newcastle take a easy or I know say that match go oily, I mean, bloody. As for you, Ten Hag, if you want the Calimot office, try rub oil for your molo, make you they get bright ideas.
Jesus is Lord!
Your papa?